nervous.
Yeah, no.
Get some up, JD.
Yes.
Oh.
It is tricky as shit. Up.
Do you need some up trim?
Yeah.
It's like God has been
Too much or about right?
I don't know yet.
safe.
More. More.
Too much?
No, that hell. That's more.
Looks like it needs more.
More.
More?
Let's come around and let's see. Yes,
Yeah,
please.
more. That doesn't look bad now. Very quiet. Does it need a touch of left?
Yeah, I did just put some in there. Oh, baby, come back.
Actually, that looks pretty good.
It felt nose heavy, tail heavy. I mean, when it took off, I mean, it just kind of jumped.
That doesn't look bad at all.
Wait, I think your gear's down.
Yeah, this does not have retractable gear, buddy.
Oh.
And I'm at half throttle, or a little more than half. Well,
Yeah, that looks pretty
That's
good.
not bad at half throttle.
It almost looks frighteningly slow.
it's just to see what she does when I back off on the throttle. Oh,
Pitching up.
it pitches up. All right, look, attempted landing, full stop.
Did you see that? How the
Okay, hold on, buddy. I couldn't get it to come down.